Hello and welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel. Today we will explore together all the stages that corn goes through, from planting to harvesting, and we will see what happens to the corn after it reaches the factories. Before we start, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Enjoy! Harvesting corn is a crucial moment in the agricultural cycle, marking the transition from growth and care to obtaining the final product. The main purposes of harvesting are to gather the corn at its optimal maturity to ensure superior quality and maximum yield. Proper and timely harvesting directly influences product quality. Corn harvested at optimal maturity has the ideal moisture content and nutrient levels, making it suitable for various uses, from human consumption to animal feed. Yield. Harvesting at the right time minimizes losses caused by adverse weather conditions, pests, or diseases. Efficiency of subsequent processing. Well-harvested corn is easier to process and requires less energy for drying and storage. Storage and transportation of corn. Temporary storage. After harvesting, corn can be temporarily stored in silos or barns. It's crucial to maintain a low moisture level to prevent mold and spoilage. Transportation to factories involves adequate logistics to transport the corn from the farm to processing units. This needs to be done quickly and efficiently to preserve kernel quality. Harvesting and transport. Harvesting. Sweet corn at optimal maturity. Rapid transport to the factory to maintain freshness. Reception and inspection. Unloading and quality checking of the corn. Visual inspection and testing of kernels for sugar and moisture content. Cleaning and sorting. Removing leaves, silk, and impurities. Sorting kernels by size and quality. Husking and cutting. Automatically husking the ears. Cutting the corn into desired sizes. Blanching. The kernels in hot water or steam to inactivate enzymes. Cooling. Rapid cooling of the kernels in cold water or air. Packaging. Packaging the kernels into cans, frozen bags, or prepackaged products. Sealing and sterilizing the cans. Sterilization and pasteurization. Sterilizing cans to destroy microorganisms. Pasteurizing products if necessary. Labeling and shipping labeling packages with product information. Shipping the finished products to points of sale. After husking the corn, the husks are automatically collected from the processing line. The husks are then passed through industrial chopping machines that turn them into smaller pieces, facilitating if the husks are not immediately used, they can be dried or siloed to preserve them better for long-term storage. conclusion, harvesting is an essential process that ensures the carefully cultivated and tended corn reaches optimal maturity, ready for use in various industries. Through proper harvesting, farmers maximize the economic value of their crops and contribute to maintaining a healthy and efficient food supply chain. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.